Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we are going to make some Ooblek and we're going to try and make it in 1 minute or less. Ooh, do you think we can do it? Might be tough. You can see I've got red hands already because I've been practicing making the Ooblek really quickly. And now I'm going to show you what we're going to use. So we've got some corn flour or cornstarch here for our international friends. You'll need some of that. You can get that from the supermarket. We've got some water. You can get that from a tap. We've got some food dye over here. You can also get that from the supermarket, and we've got a mixing bowl. All right, so we're gonna put all this to the side, and then I've got 1 minute to try and make some Ooblek. You guys can do it at home as well and see how you go. Okay, here we go. We're gonna start the clock. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, getting all our stuff, get our corn flour and our water, get our mixing bowl and our food dye over here. We're gonna get our corn flour or cornstarch, put it into our mixing bowl. We're gonna get some water. How much water? Oh, I don't know, just have a bit of a guess. About this much? That much, Mitch?
That looks good.
That looks good. Get some food dye, put some food in there to get red. How long we got left? Still got a while yet? All right, mix it in. Mix it. Oh, maybe I need more water. Uh-oh. Quick, 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 mix it more. Are we going okay for time?
Yeah, you still got time.
I think it's pretty mixed. Do we need to mix it more than that? Dana! We need some more water?
More water.
More water. All right. Hopefully you guys are better at this than me. It's so hard to mix the Ooblek. How's that? Done?
Yeah, done.
Done? Did we do it? Is it made? Does that count?
I think that counts.
Yeah! Now that we've successfully made our Ooblek, guys, come and have a look at it, and we're going to talk a little bit about it. So Ooblek is a non-Newtonian fluid, which just means that if we apply a force to it, it acts more like a solid. So it feels really hard if I apply a strong force to it. But if I'm really soft and if I just gently put my finger in, it feels like a liquid. And it's really cool. So have a go if you've made some, and have a feel about, try poking it hard and then doing it soft. So if I get my fingers and I run around the edge here, you might see it sort of acting like a solid. It kind of breaks up, and then when the force isn't applied anymore, it acts like a liquid and it starts flowing again. So if I push really hard, oh, we get these solid chunks happening. But then when I go slow, it acts more like a liquid. It's super awesome. So good luck. I hope you make some really cool Ooblek, everyone. It's a good thing to do outside because you can see it's super messy. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for more experiments. Bye.